What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all having a great start of this week, start of the Monday. And welcome to this video in which we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum again, daily Ethereum update. If you're new to this channel and you think it's valuable to take a look at Ethereum and the news around it and the price every day, make sure to consider subscribing at least. I do this every day. So yeah, let's dive right into it. Yesterday I wasn't there because I had quite a busy day. Did some things in the city, but today we're back. So not a lot happened yesterday, to be honest. I mean, if you take a look, we've been a little bit bearish. We dropped down a little bit, but it's negligible, right? It's almost nothing. One thing that did happen though is that the volume significantly dropped. Obviously, it was weekend. Volume usually drops in the weekend. Sometimes it's also very high, but usually it drops. So now it has rebounded with about 40% up to almost 9 billion. It's not a lot, to be honest. At 5.6% of the market cap, that's not a lot, but it's also nothing to worry about, I think. So if we take a look at Ethereum specifically, you can see this was my analysis. I still think this is going to happen. All right, so we'll get into that a little bit later. But apart from that, you can see that there's quite a lot of bearish momentum again, right? Because here we actually consolidated, and we also consolidated with the EMAs, but now you can see that we're actually respecting those EMAs again, kind of trending down. Now, if you compare Ethereum, for example, with Bitcoin, Ethereum has actually been stronger. I mean, Ethereum has been stronger than Bitcoin for the last 3 months, all right? I mean, ever since this huge rally ahead of the merge and stuff, it has been more bullish, and you can also see right now that we're actually able to hold higher levels compared to Bitcoin, definitely compared to the last 4 months. But apart from that, let's dive right into Ethereum specifically. What I expect, I mean, as you can see, I still expected some support here at 1275. It's a strong support level. You can see that held us for the last week or so, maybe even longer. So I expect us to find some support, but I'm not saying that we're not going to get lower. The idea behind that is that I expect us to, in the upcoming week, in the upcoming 7 days, I expect us to reach 1425 and that 1400 level. And how that will happen, I think, is one of these two ways. We're either going to stay consolidated up here, and then somewhere at the end of the week get a break above 1350 and get up to 1425. It's either going to be that, or we're going to get one big bear trap. So we're going to drop down to 1225, 1200. And then from there, let me delete this because that's a little bit more clear. Then from there, it's a bear trap. All right, so we're dropping and people are going to start selling. And then we're going to go up because it's manipulated a little bit. I mean, in the end, that's unfortunately how crypto works sometimes. And definitely those traps. So it's going to get manipulated. All those short sellers will have to sell their position, so they have to buy it, causing us to be able to break above 1350 and get up to 1425. It's going to be one of those two scenarios. I think it has the same result. All right, just with trading, if you want to trade it, you'd have to be a little bit more careful. So yeah, at least this is my analysis, right? This is what I think is going to happen. This is what I thought was going to happen for quite a long time already, for like a week. So yeah, I could definitely be wrong. All right, so don't think that this is the only thing that could happen, but it is the scenario which I think is most likely to happen. So yeah, apart from that, maybe I thought we could maybe find some sort of a bull trap to show you. No, I don't think so, but yeah, all right. I think most of you understand what a bear and a bull trap is. If you don't, let me know in the comments, and I'll gladly explain it a little bit more with some more examples maybe, and I'll look up some. Oh, this was one. I mean, here you can see, and yeah, we still have a little bit of time. Here you can see that we had this huge spike. When you watch that on the chart, I watched that on the chart, you could actually see that we had a huge green candle, right? At one point, this was all green. So what happens then is a lot of people start buying because we're having this huge green candle. Maybe it's going to take us all the way up to 1500. People start buying, big whales start selling, and those people that are buying have to sell if they're futures or something. And then you have a huge drop down. So that could also happen the other way around, right? So that's kind of what I'm anticipating, at least in one of two scenarios. So yeah, that's my take on Ethereum this Monday. For the rest, it's also very important. I want to wish you all a great day and a great week. But I surely hope to see you all in my next videos. So take care today and bye.